Oh yeah, here's another one.
Yeah.
I don't know if you caught this or not. Is this the vehicle from the thing we were talking about? I was trying to figure that out because there's the guys who bought this really specialized vehicle from Kanye.
No, this is the. Remember they want to send it into our studio? This is a different one.
Oh,
The
yes.
Sherp Pro ATV.
I don't think that thing's gonna fit in this part of the studio.
I don't
We had
think
to
so.
put it in the other part. But anyway, that is a very cool vehicle, and he pulls through the drive-through. And this is a follow-up on the clip that we put out the other day, where
Can I get a
and then
McDonald's?
they did a whole commercial about it, and they paid Kanye West to be in it. And he rolls up, and as you'd expect, he says, "Can I get a?" And then he takes a breath, actually, and then he goes, even more. And then he also was very active on social media during the Super Bowl. I don't know if you knew that. His Instagram page was kind of
a lot of beef.
How would you describe what was going on his Instagram page?
I wasn't following it, but
Right.
I've just heard rumblings after the fact.
Rumblings, yeah.
Kid with beef with Kid Cudi. Like, come on now.
Kid Cudi, which stems from Pete Davidson, and he was just obsessed with. He's obsessed with Pete Davidson right now, and obviously his ex-wife or wife. Are they? I don't think they're actually officially divorced yet. But anyway, and as a follow-up, so yesterday he put out this bunch of posts in a row going after Pete Davidson, and by the way, emotionally speaking, I'm not trying to say that he should do all that stuff, but he does appear to be hurt or distraught over this situation.
Of course.
Like, you have a family, and I know it's hard because it's like a celebrity component to it. So you're like, this guy's out of,
McDonald's ad.
You want to write it off. No, I know it's weird. It's a weird combination of things. Plus, he was at the Super Bowl.
He was, yeah.
He was there, and so he was posting a lot of. I don't know. Anyway,
deleting posts and whatnot.
Today, there's another post. He sent a truck full of roses to Kim.
Okay.
And posted that, and like, man, I don't know, whatever. It's all complicated, but there's kids involved, and I have sympathy for that. Yeah. I don't know, man. Okay. No, I don't know what to tell you. It's chaotic, to say the least.
It's rough. I hope he gets through it soon.
It's chaotic, to say the least, but